Tim at Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester, and welcome to the Expert Combi. This is something a little bit rare. It's a short wheelbase and the automatic. It's finished in Nimbus Grey and has done just 8 miles, so delivery mileage on this vehicle offers a great opportunity for a day vehicle or very just a slightly larger family vehicle with a big storage space in the back. But let's have a closer look. There you have the Expert Combi. If you'd like further details or would like to book a test drive and see this vehicle in person, simply give us a call on 01305 266 066. Thank you.